Hello everyone, today's video I would like to show you the easy way to convert PDF. I would like to show you the easy way to convert PDF to Microsoft Word. Okay, let's start. Okay, here you can see I have a PDF file right here. Cannot edit right here, but here we have Microsoft Word that we can edit, and let's convert it. So let me close all of this. Close it. Here I have my PDF file. Okay, let me open Microsoft Word. I use 21 version. So sometimes, let me see, sometimes you have some problem when you open. So if you open the blank document like this, when you drag, you will get like this. So cannot. Okay. So there are different way to convert it. So just new right here and then drag here, just drag and drop, and then it will ask, they will convert to Microsoft Word, and they say it might not look exactly the same, the original one, but let's try it. Okay, click OK. See, and close this one. Let's see the picture here a bit outside. We can just image and crop to different shape like that, and here all editable. So it's easy. Microsoft Word did a pretty good job. And here, if you not do like that, you can just right click. Let me close it first. Just open Word and open your file right here. So let me open my file right here, and then it will add something like that too. Then click OK, and then it will convert to Microsoft Word that editable right here. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the video.